Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're delving into the exciting world of the MEXC exchange and how you can maximize your trading experience using our referral code. If you're looking to explore crypto trading and want to make the most out of your investments, then MEXC is a platform you shouldn't miss. MEXC stands out with its extensive range of cryptocurrencies, low trading fees, and user-friendly interface. But that's not all. By using the MEXC referral code 12K4M5, you can unlock exclusive bonuses that enhance your trading journey. So, what can you expect when you enter the MEXC referral code 12K4M5? First and foremost, you'll receive a generous sign-up bonus upon creating your account. This bonus can significantly boost your initial trading capital, allowing you to explore various investment strategies and diversify your portfolio without the risk of starting your trading journey with zero funds. Additionally, using our referral code 12K4M5 grants you lower trading fees. This means more profits in your pocket. Every time you trade on the MEXC exchange, you'll enjoy reduced costs, enabling you to maximize your returns. It's a win-win for both beginners and seasoned traders. But that's not all. By using the referral code, you also become part of an exclusive community that enjoys special promotions and campaigns. This can include everything from cashback offers to access to new features before they are released to the public. Getting started is simple. Just head over to the MEXC website, create your account, and enter our referral code 12K4M5 during the registration process. In just a few clicks, you'll be on your way to exploring an extensive array of cryptocurrencies, all while enjoying exclusive benefits that enhance your trading experience. In summary, don't miss out on this opportunity to maximize your trading potential with MEXC. Remember to use the referral code 12K4M5 and reap the rewards. Join the ranks of successful traders today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more informative content on cryptocurrency trading. Happy trading!